Hello, and welcome to Evening Computing, your trusted IT partner. Today, we are going to show you how to identify whether your device has a solid-state drive, also known as an SSD.
That is right. Knowing your storage type can help you better understand your device's performance. Let us dive into a few simple methods to check.
First, we will use the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Click the Performance tab. Select the disk you want to check.
Below the partition names, you will see a label, either SSD or HDD, indicating the drive type. Simple, isn't it? Next, let us use the Device Manager. Open the Device Manager from the Start menu or search bar. Expand the Disk Drives section to see the full names of each drive.
The drive's name will often include its type and storage details. For those who prefer commands, try PowerShell. Search for Windows PowerShell in the Start menu. Once PowerShell is open, type the following command: get physical disk vertical bar, format table, auto size, and press Enter.
The media type column will show whether the drive is an SSD or HDD. You can also check using the Defragment and Optimize Drives app. Type defrag in the search bar and open the app. Look at the media type column for each hard drive.
It is another quick and easy way to find out your drive type. At Evening Computing, we are not just about technology. We are about building relationships and delivering results that matter.
Let us help you optimize your IT infrastructure and unlock the full potential of your business. Let us work together to deliver tailored IT solutions, unparalleled support, and innovation for your business.